This is my bike check. It's the Fit 81. It's the 21-inch top tube with the 26-degree head tube angle. It's like, got my ODI long X, of course. Tecro brake lever. Getting the Odyssey model lever soon, in green, of course. That's the tie beam. Odyssey linear cable. My Fit bars are 28 wide right now. Odyssey fully loaded stem, took the stickers off. Odyssey headset with the, these are actually Odyssey racing forks. I took the 41 thermal sticker off and put my Fit stickers back on for my old Fit forks. Some electric right there. Of course, got the, I changed my spokes up. I got a proper hub still with the double-butted spokes. I know double-butted spokes are more stronger. And Odyssey quadrant rim. Sprocket with the KMC chain, of course. Redline device crank still. Odyssey twisted PCs. Tecro brakes with the Odyssey pads. I got an Odyssey bottom bracket. I got a sealed hub with the double-butted spokes again with the quadrant rim. The Fit padded seat, Fit clamp, and an Odyssey post. I slammed it all the way down, I like having it like that. Most people lately have been putting it maybe an inch and a half, but it's my opinion. And that's basically my bike, and that's it right now. It's good.